All right, let's go ahead and take a look right now at the radar because we are seeing a few showers that have been popping up. I'm going to zoom out towards the hill country, Mason and Delano and San Saba. We actually have a few very quick moving heavy pours of showers that have been moving through Mason, essentially just south of 377, moving over Mason itself, getting farther up towards the northeast. We have a few more out towards Llano, going down 29, just south of 29. You actually have a cell that's been pulling up there. But again, these are extremely small. We move up towards San Saba. That's crossing 190 right now just to the west of San Saba itself. But some lightning associated with that storm. No hail associated overall. I checked that hail signature, and it's just some quick moving showers and thunderstorms. They'll be on and off pretty much all day long. We just had this string of moisture that's just flowing in within this one spot from about Del Rio all the way up to about Waco. Waco, unfortunately, seeing plenty of showers and thunderstorms after the past couple of days. Temperatures right now, 84 degrees in Austin, 82 in Dripping Springs, 76 in Fredericksburg, 78 in Mason, and 84 degrees as we get out towards the eastern counties, with temperatures for today expected to move into the mid to upper 90s one more time. It's going to be another hot day outside. So a reminder, just drink plenty of water and stay hydrated as we go along. Our severe risk for today, it still shows us mostly within the category 1. A few areas like Llano, Burnett, Lampasas, and San Saba within that category 2 or slight category. I don't see very much actually developing. I checked a couple of the different models and they all pretty much say the same thing, that we don't see the huge chance of that actually developing. But here's some of your risks for today. The main concern is going to be if anything does develop, hail would be the greatest thing, and of course winds. Tornadoes, if we see any, they'd be very isolated, mostly within the San Saba and Lampasas area. As we play this out throughout the day, again, just this model is just showing just off and on showers and thunderstorms as we get into tomorrow morning. That's when we do expect for a front to come in. Another good chance of seeing possible showers and thunderstorms roll by as we get into the early morning hours, and then by Tuesday afternoon we're left with partly cloudy conditions as we see the front come in. Overall, that's going to diminish any real big rain chances. Dry aerofilter rain, humidity is expected to drop as we get out towards Thursday. 30% chance of rain picking up one more time as we get into Saturday and Sunday. Let's go ahead and send it over to Rich Segal.
So what happened to our beautiful blue azure sky, you ask? You've seen this haze that settled into the area starting late last week. This is a visible satellite from the 15th, and it shows that we've got the agricultural burning going on. This is a seasonal thing that happens every year, going on in Mexico and in Central America. Now, this happens from the middle of March through May. It's a time where the farmers get rid of their unwanted plants, the animal manure, the weeds that gather, and they just burn it up. And when the wind is blowing out of the south, and it brings that smoke in from the north, one of the things that it does do, they want to return nutrients to the soil because their planting season will start in June when in conjunction with the rainy season, it increases the grasses for the animals that use that out in the pastures. And the other thing, in addition to leaving us with decreased air quality and the hazy sky, the milky image that we see up above, it can cause respiratory issues. That's that fine particulate matter. It's less than the size of a hair follicle that gets into your nose. It gives you a runny nose, a scratchy throat, but it also could travel into your lungs. So this is why on days where we have this going on, we suggest that you limit your outdoor activities if you do have respiratory issues. And so that's what's going on right now. Our sky is hazy because of the burning that's going on down in Mexico right now. But that'll end. Once that ends, however, then we'll be dealing with a few other things, most specifically, though, the Saharan dust. But we'll talk more about that when that season starts. Will?